said McLaren.
Ah, McLaren.
2.
2. Purple and black. I don't see it much because I don't have my reading glasses. Kasi matanda na nga si Lola. Driving back home.
On the outskirts of London, M25.
We will be home in maybe 40 minutes.
It's saying 43 minutes.
If we are lucky.
It all depends on the traffic. As you can see, it's packed out.
Traffic today, oh Sunday, traffic. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone. Bye for now. I look that one. Oh, there's lots of
Cheap.
yeah. You cannot see what's. Oh, it's raining again. Raining again.